Basic versus advanced. Big versus colossal. Happy versus ecstatic. Sad versus despondent. Eat versus devour. Look versus gaze. Make versus fabricate. Smart versus intelligent. Hard versus arduous. Fast versus swift. Hot versus scorching. Casual versus formal. I'm sorry versus I apologize. Thanks versus thank you. Help me out versus assist me. Get versus obtain. I think versus I believe I need versus I require. I want versus I desire. I got it versus I understand I'm good versus I'm well part.
Normal English, Advanced English. I'm fine, I'm well. See you later, until we meet again. I don't know, I'm not certain. It's my fault, the error is mine. Let's go, let us proceed. That's great, that is excellent. It's important, it is of significance. I'm sorry, I offer my apologies. Thank you, I am grateful. You're welcome, it is my pleasure. I agree, I concur. I disagree, I hold a different opinion. I'm not sure, I am uncertain. I'm busy, I am occupied. I'm tired, I am fatigued. I'm sad, I am sorrowful. I'm angry, I am wrathful. I'm scared, I am afraid. I'll do it, I shall undertake the task. Normal English, Advanced English. Keep the secret. Mum's the word. I made a big mistake. I screwed up. I will pay the bill. It's on me. I am very hungry. I am starving. I understand you. I feel you. I don't have money. I am broke. I don't understand. I don't get it. I am listening to you. I am all ears. I agree. See eye to eye. Can I help you? May I be of assistance? Time words. Yesterday. Synonyms, the day before. Today, this day. Tomorrow, the day after. Now, presently. Soon, shortly. Later, afterwards. Always, constantly. Sometimes, occasionally. Often, frequently. Never, not ever. After, following. Ago, previously. Last week, the previous week. Next month, the upcoming month. Then, next. Presently, currently. Other ways to say, he's strong. He's robust. He's sturdy. He's powerful. He's resilient. He's tough. He's formidable. He's muscular. He's unyielding. He's sturdy as an oak. He's rugged. Other ways to say I'm shocked. I'm in complete shock. I'm beyond shocked. I'm stunned. I'm speechless. I'm lost for words. I'm astounded. I'm flabbergasted. I'm taken aback. I'm in disbelief. My mind is blown. I can't believe my eyes. Other ways to say, I care for you. I cherish you. You mean a lot to me. Your well-being matters to me. I have deep feelings for you. I hold you in high regard. Your happiness is important to me. I deeply value you. You matter to me. I'm invested in your welfare. Your presence is meaningful to me. You are important to me. I'm always thinking of you. I'm concerned about your welfare. You hold a special place in my life. No more food for me, thanks. I'm full. I'm satisfied. I'm full to bursting. I'm satiated. I'm well fed. I'm stuffed. I'm full up. I'm sated. Words of encouragement. You're a star student. You shine. You make me smile. I'm so proud of you. You are special. You are unique. I believe in you. You made my day. You are so helpful. You brighten my day. You have a great attitude. Keep up the good work. You're a shining star. You're so talented. You amaze me. You are incredible. You are so kind. You are so thoughtful. You are a joy to be around. Other ways to say, may I interrupt? May I add something here? Just a moment, I'd like to interject. Excuse me for interrupting, but do you mind if I just say? Can I just butt in for a second? If I can just stop you for a moment. Hold on, I have something to add. Allow me to interject here. Just a moment, I'd like to. Before you go on, I'd like to say. Can I just say something here?